Hello everyone, so today we're going to talk about the MACD indicator and how you can use it for day trading and swing trading. Before we start today's lesson, I would like to share with you guys this QR code that I created so we can help small businesses to survive during this pandemic. With that being said, let's begin. So MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which sounds complicated but it's really not. So let's start by labeling everything and then I will discuss what each does. The blue line is the MACD line, the yellow line is the signal line, and the bars are the momentum indicators. The higher the green bar, the more positive momentum, and the lower the red bar, the more negative momentum. Okay, so when the blue line crosses over the yellow, that's a bullish sign. However, when the blue crosses below the yellow line, that's a sign of downward trend and it's time to consider getting out. The positive momentum line, which is in purple, is a sign that we're still in positive momentum territory, which is to say that a minor pushback to the line isn't likely to produce reversal unless it dips below it. As you know, when most stocks go up, they tend to have a small pushbacks, and that's why this line is in existence. It pretty much measures the acceptable range of a pushback before it is considered a sign any longer reversal. Okay, so now it's time to go over some examples so we can really see how the MACD works. Okay, so here's a real life scenario. As you can see right here, the blue line crossed over the yellow line, so you would be buying it. And then you would be selling right here when the blue line crossed the yellow. Now I'm gonna show a video of me day trading only using MACD. As you can see, I am waiting for the blue line to cross over the yellow. I will fast forward to the part that I buy the stock and also pay attention to the graph and the MACD. So now that I have confirmation, I'm gonna buy the stock and hold until the blue line crosses below the yellow. As you can see, now that the blue line crossed below the yellow, I have a confirmation and then I'm gonna sell my position. And finally, I made $130 in 15 minutes. However, it is important to say that MACD won't be 100% correct like any other indicator. I hope you enjoy it and see you in the next video.